Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Lavish. So I wanted to do this quick how-to video. If you guys know about Hex, if you guys know about Pulsechain, if you guys know about Richard Hart, if you guys know about staking, one of the first staking coins, he just released one of the biggest projects I think under his belt, right next to Hex. So it just became active and available to be able to sacrifice your ERC20 tokens, any ERC20 tokens. This includes Ethereum, USDT, and not even only ERC20 tokens, a bunch of other tokens, Zcash, Bitcoin Cash. You can now use these coins to basically sacrifice them without any expectation of anything in return. But we're crossing our fingers and praying that we get something in return, right? You're basically purchasing the tokens, but in a legal way. You're sacrificing. So he just put this live. This is really fresh, literally about 5-10 minutes ago. It just went live. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So you guys need to have a MetaMask wallet. If you don't, look up how to make a MetaMask wallet. Most of you guys probably watching this, searched up this video, found it. You probably already have a MetaMask wallet. So you're gonna go to pulsechain.com. That's PULSECHAIN.com. Once you get on pulsechain.com, you're right here, right? Congratulations, the Pulse sacrifice phase has started because it just started. Now you're gonna go to Open DApp. Now this is gonna open up your MetaMask wallet. For example, then when you get here, you see it says Pulse Sacrifice. The Pulse Chain Sacrifice is creating a set of people that believe speech is a protected human right and blockchains are speech. Sacrifice to prove your belief. So to prove you believe. So now you're gonna click Connect Wallet. Mine's connected. This is gonna be my wallet address. You guys probably can't see this because I blacked it out. But once you click Connect, MetaMask should open up in your top right, and it's gonna ask you to confirm that you want to connect this wallet. You're gonna select Confirm. Once you select Confirm or OK, whatever it says there, it's gonna drop your address here, and then you're gonna select the network. Now, this matters on what you want to sacrifice. What do you want to buy the Pulse Chain coin with? Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Monero, Ripple, and Zcash. I'm personally going to use Ethereum. So I'm going to go to the Ethereum. So now, once I click Ethereum, it's going to show me every coin on the Ethereum blockchain that is accepted to buy Pulse Chain. So these coins are down below. They include AAVE, Chainlink, DAI, Ether, Hex, Maker, Ren Bitcoin, USD Circle, USD Tether, Uniswap Coin, Wrapped Bitcoin, and Wrapped Ether. Now these are all the coins included. You don't have to click, do not click any of these links. This just shows you the Etherscan address, which is the contract address. What you want to do is focus on this. If you're going to use any of these coins, Hex, Ether, anything listed here, to buy your Pulse coin, your Pulse Chain coin, you want to send any of these coins to the address they give you right here next to the word copy. I'm personally going to probably blur this out, this address, but you'll have yours there. Again, next to the word copy. This is where you're going to copy it. It's going to say copied once you click that. Then you're going to go over to your MetaMask. Really simple. You guys probably can't, I'm not going to show you this. You're going to open your MetaMask, and then you're going to go to the coin that you want to send. And then you're gonna go to send, and it's gonna ask you how much do you want to send. Remember, you can put any amount you want. We're guessing, you don't know exactly how much you're getting, but we're guessing it's gonna be around $1 to every 10,000 Pulse Chain coin, meaning for every dollar that you put equivalent in whatever coin you want to send, you're gonna get, this is not a flaw, this is not fact, this is an educated guess. If everything goes correct, you'll get around 10,000 coins per dollar. So if you put in $1,000, that means that's 1,000 times 10,000, and that's how many Pulse Chain coins you'll get. 1,000 times 10,000. So once you do that, you simply send the coins just like you send them to a person or another address you have. You send them. Once you send them, you're done. That's it. You just invested in Pulse Chain. Now this might take a couple weeks, maybe a month, for you to actually get your Pulse Chain. Maybe 2 weeks, maybe a week. We're not sure. But because you linked your wallet to it and you sent it from your wallet, now the system knows where to send your equivalent, your 10,001 Pulse Chain coin to. So once you do that, you guys are all set. It's really simple. That's how you invest in Pulsechain. There's probably going to be more in-depth videos. I wanted to give a quick one because I know some of you guys are really lost. Again, if you don't know how to make a MetaMask wallet, simply go to how to create a MetaMask wallet. You're going to want to get Ethereum, Hex, any coins that you see available here on the Ethereum blockchain. You're gonna want to get them on your MetaMask wallet, because once you get them there, you can send them to the address that it gives you, the system, and then that's how you invest in Pulsechain coin. Guys, appreciate you watching this. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. This is for entertainment purposes only, but I just wanted to help you guys out with a really quick walkthrough. Lavish out. Peace.